Example 4 for our mitre line again. So here we have, say, a triangle, this time not line anymore. And we have, when you take a look at it, we're given your top view and then your front view, yes? And then they want us to get the projection on the side, the right side view, okay? Do the same thing. Start with your extension line, put a full line here. Another full line perpendicular to the first full line, your mitre line 45 degrees to the first full line, and then we're gonna draw all of our endpoints, which is 1 point, 2 point, and then 3 point. Starting from here, always crossing the mitre line, cross the mitre line, and cross the mitre line. Okay? Then we're gonna come down, cross, yeah? Cross the third. Alright, here is your third point right there. Draw it, and this got to intersect. Second to second, and then first to first. Alright, they're all perpendicular. Now connect that. Point 1, point 2, and then point 3. Okay? Erase it. Now you get 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Projections. Your top, and then your front, and then your right projections. And this is your 4 lines, okay? Showing you with the boxes.